friends, all my viewers. Thank you so much for coming back. And I was immensely pleased with the success of my first video. So, heads up to you all guys as well. Now, moving forward, this is my monthly reading for the month of January 2021. I am doing specific sign readings, and this video is dedicated to my Capricorns. How are you, my lovelies, today? Hope you all are doing great. Hope you all are doing well. Oh my god, a jumper card. Looks like this card was just waiting to come out. Okay, I'll keep this separately. This will give This will give the energy for the overall reading. Okay, so we'll keep this separately. I'll show it this card to you in the last. This will keep for the energy for the full reading. My god, I'm so happy. It looks like that this card was just waiting to come out of the deck, to jump out for you Capricorns. So this will give you the overall energy. Okay, all my Capricorns, hope you all are doing well. Nice. See how lucky you are. You got an extra reading. You got an extra complimentary card. Right. The month of January for my Capricorns, it's going to be good. It's going to be fulfilling. It's going to be very nice. See, you have the resources, you have the everything, what you need to work. You have done your homework. You have the basics. So, stop sulking, Stop being disheartened all the time. Though I miss this, I am missing on these things, I'm missing on that things. Please, accumulate or take care of all the resources that are already available to you. Use that. That is if not more than enough, but that is not less also. Try and inculcate the basic things that are available to you, that are at your hand, that is easily available to you. That is not less. Stop being so desperate. Stop being sulking around. Stop being showing yourself as a victim, or stop showing yourself at the help of the others. You yourself are much more capable of doing lots and lots of things which you will be surprised to see. Oh my god, I could do this, I could do that. Just get up, stay strong. And there is I see a lot of negative yin energy in you this month. Please get up. It is not good to sulk around. It is not to be depressed. Get up. Inculcate some yang energy, inculcate some enthusiasm, some power. Come on, pump up, guys. Get up on your feet. And if you are not going to do that, you are not going to finish your task. You are not going to achieve your target. You have to get up. You have to work. Get up. This is the time for you. And the jumper card, if you want to see, I would definitely show you. This is a 5 of Swords card, people. Capricorns, this is a warning sign card. Please be careful in this month of January. You need to get up and work hard. Don't trust anyone blindly. Trust yourself. Trust your vibes. Trust your instincts. Trust yourself. Trust your shoulders. Get up and work, people. And don't worry. All your goals you are going to achieve. Okay? So, any more guidance you need, I'm always there to help you. You can write in the comment section. You can follow my website if you want any more sorts of questions to be answered. I'm always there for you. God bless and stay strong. And next zodiac signs, stay tuned.